Hello everyone, this is video part 2 from muscle cells. In this video we talk about the function of muscle cells in the movement of body. How biceps and triceps work together. So we will learn the names of the muscles. We will learn the reason and the function of each muscle and how they are helping and how they are attaching to the bones to make them bend. How do you flex your arm? How do you extend your arm by the help of muscles? And this is what we are going to learn in this video. So first of all, we are learning the names of the muscles and the place of the muscles in our arm. The first two muscles, one of them is biceps, and it's here, which is in forearm, and the other one is triceps. So biceps is in the forearm and triceps in the back side of your arm. And if biceps is in relax, which is in this condition, then triceps should be in contracted condition, and vice versa. So if the biceps is contracting, this means that the triceps is in relax. So they cannot both of them at the same time be contracted or in the relax. Let's see what are the other names that we are going to learn. Okay, the next one is tendon. What is tendon? The tendon is a place that the muscle will be attached to the bone. And as you can see with these arrows, all the places that tendon that you can see in all these areas, tendons are attached to the bones. Okay, we have around four names regarding the names of the bones that you need to know and you need to practice and you need to remember. Starting from here, it's radius, and below the radius, under the radius is ulna. So can you see the similarity of U as ulna is under? So we have radius, and under the radius is ulna. So ulna is under the radius. And then we have humerus. Humerus is a longer word comparing these two, so it's the longer bone. That's how you can remember. So we have radius, and then under the radius, which is ulna, and humerus, which is the longer one, and it is located here. And the other one, which is here, as you can see, is called scapula. So let's see the function as I explained as a form of PowerPoint file. Tendons, muscle is attached to bones by tendon. So tendon is the reason that muscle can attach to the bone. The next one, which we are going to explain, the biceps is attached by tendon. The bicep is attached by tendon to a scapula. This is a scapula, and to the radius. So you need to remember exactly this figure. So biceps radius, which is in top of the ulna, or ulna is under the radius, and scapula here. Biceps are attached to radius and scapula, which are causing the contraction of the forearm. So once the bicep is contracted by the attachment of the tendon to the radius and scapula, then you can flex your forearm. After bicep, then you should know how is the attachment of the tricep. You already knew that triceps is here, which is in the under part or in the back side of the forearm. Triceps are here, and the triceps also will attach to scapula. So both of them, I mean, biceps also is attaching to the scapula, but also triceps as well. So triceps also is attaching to scapula, and triceps is attaching to the humerus. Can you see this area which is in the back side of the humerus? So triceps are attaching from upper side to scapula and humerus, and from the lower side, which is here, to ulna. Triceps is attached in the upper side to humerus and scapula, but in the lower side, triceps is attaching to the ulna. And the ulna is what? Do you remember? Under the radius. Under the radius. So with these specific types of attachment, that it is not that triceps attached to radius, it's attached to ulna, because by contraction it can make it the forearm get extended. Can you imagine how this tricep will attach to this one, ulna? By contraction they make it that forearm get extended. Okay. When the triceps contracts, it extends the arm by strengthening the elbow. That's what's happening exactly. I hope you learned. If you want to remember, you have to go back and watch the video a couple of times, and then step by step and again try to remember. What about joints? What are joints? The place where two bones meet is known as joint. So if two bones are attaching to each other, that means that that place is joint. There are several types of joint, each permitting a certain range of movement. For example, at the elbow is the hinge joint, which permits extension and flexion. Okay, now there is a YouTube video, and we are going to watch this YouTube, and I have already downloaded this YouTube video, and I'm going to put it in your manage bag so you can watch the video by yourself. Here is your task after watching the video. You have to recognize all the parts which you learned in this PowerPoint, including different bones and also different parts of the muscle like tendon. You have to sort of understand and recognize in the chicken wing. Yes, that's correct. So there is a dissection of chicken wing YouTube video, and you will learn different names of the chicken wing according to what you learn over here, and try to remember and learn, and even you can do the dissection by yourself at home. That's all. Thanks for watching.